Wow, it's freaking cold. Well, I gotta deliver this transmission. This is actually Bader's transmission. Of course, you guys know he is building a Honda, so I'm gonna go drop this off. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me in this video. We're going to be working on the Supra today. We have a super duper easy install for you guys, and we're going to be replacing this front lip with a carbon fiber front lip. Pretty much the same style as this one, except this one is going to be in carbon fiber. This one is the Maxxon V1. I got this on Ftspeed. Now, the reason why I got this one was relatively available and it was relatively cheap. It was only like 200 bucks and it got to me in like 3 days. So big shout out to Ftspeed for that one. Now, the new one that I have is a carbon fiber lip sitting in that box right over there. That literally got to me in 2 days, so super duper fast shipping. So this install was relatively easy. If you're interested in seeing that install video, I'll put an eye somewhere up here. Now, I did add PPF off camera, and it's a pretty much brand new looking lip. I'll keep this one as a backup just in case something happens to the carbon fiber lip that I'm installing today. I think on the Supra really needs a front lip to give it more of an aggressive look. It just looks naked, you know, just like most cars without a front lip. All right, let's get this up in the air. All right, got all the hardware off and this thing is stuck on there pretty good. So I hope this is not gonna be a pain to take off because I did use 3M double-sided tape on here. Come on. Yes. Oh, there you go. Oh, there it goes. All right, not too bad. The PPF job actually held up pretty well. See, it looks so much better with a front lip. All right, I should have unboxed this first to make sure that I received the front lip. Had to take my jacket off. It's like 30 degrees outside, but it's like 70 in here. I've been having the heater running the whole time. But I'm still waiting on that other carbon fiber lip. And one thing that frustrates me about some of these companies that sell stuff online, you know, if the product's not gonna be in stock for a while, at least say it on your website instead of, you know, saying that the item is in stock. So, you know, it just frustrates me when they say, when they're selling something, sorry for the noise. I'm appreciative of some of the websites that say, you know, items out of stock, you know, or it's gonna be, you know, so-and-so many weeks or months to get this product. But, you know, I think Ftspeed does a good job at that, you know, letting you know if the item's in stock or not. But some of these other companies just, wow. Anyways, let me get off my rant. Front lip number 2. We have one more on the way. ETA is January. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets held back even farther than that. So if you guys are wondering what other front lip I got, it is the LG Motorsports Heritage front lip, which I ordered back in June. And then they told me it was gonna be October, and then they pushed out to December. And who knows if it's gonna be here. Okay. Sweet, I totally dig it. What do you guys think? Pretty much the same exact style except in carbon fiber as the other lip I took off. Now the other lip that I got is a lot more aggressive than this. A lot more expensive, to be honest with you. I know I told you guys that I would never ever buy an expensive front lip when I busted my APR front lip on the STI. But I ordered this expensive lip, not this one, but the other one I have on order, before that incident happened. But we're gonna get this PPF, and once we get it PPF, we're also going to ceramic coat it. The hardware holes look different. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, let's get this installed. So I went ahead and installed the supplied 3M tape. Also, I went and wiped down with IPA the mounting surfaces for the 3M tape under the car. So we should have a good bond between the 3M tape and the front bumper. All right, got the front lip installed, and the only issue that I had with it is that some of the holes didn't line up to the factory holes, so I had to drill it out just a little bit. But other than that, fitment is just fine. I would say it's about a 7 out of 10. The other lip that I took off, the Maxxon lip, I would say that's more of a 9 out of 10. The other lip fit better than this one, but this one, if you work with it a little bit, it should fit just fine. Yes, we're getting there. What a pain in the butt. Alright, so PPF is done. Now it's time to ceramic coat the whole lip. So anyways, just a real short video for you guys today. We got a couple more Supra videos that we will be doing. I know we're going a little super heavy on the videos, but trust me, we got some cool stuff coming for the Supra. Maybe even get some new wheels. Maybe even put the Supra on the dyno on E85. I don't know. We will see, but stay tuned for that. And then we're going to start working on the STI again because that needs some work. But anyways, I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.